Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing in and preparing. Back up local settings so you can restore preferences later. Once logged in, go directly to Settings and locate the beta or early access toggle in Account or App Preferences. Flip that switch off. This tells Roblox to stop using preview builds. Make sure to sign out after toggling, then fully exit the app so changes can take effect. Doing this first avoids corrupted files and eases the next steps. Once done, clear cache data so remnants of the beta don't persist. On PC, delete Roblox folders in %app data% or use the app's clear cache option. On mobile, use app storage settings. Next, uninstall the beta build completely. Choose to remove user data if prompted, because leftover files can force beta behavior. Then install the official stable release from the platform store or Roblox.com. After installation, sign in and let the client download standard assets and update. You finish by verifying the client. Check about or help to confirm the version matches the public release. Test a few different games and social features to make sure nothing is stuck in beta behavior. If you still see preview features, reinstall the stable client one more time and re-clear caches. Most problems clear with a clean install. If that fails, contact Roblox support and provide the build number and steps you took. They can push a rollback or fix account-level beta flags.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.